The Honourable Premier.
Well, thank you very much, Madam Speaker. And as everyone knows, Prince Edward Island is not tied by land to any other province or territory, which means our boundaries are quite clear. We are a distinct province, and as a population, we have always been passionate about safeguarding our land for future generations. That's why we have the Lands Protection Act. This legislation regulates the amount of property that can be held by any one person or corporation. It is an important act, but it had been over 30 years since it was passed. So, just over a year ago, we appointed Horace Carver, a well-respected lawyer and former provincial cabinet minister, as our Lands Protection Act Commissioner. We asked him to examine, inquire into, and report back to us on many levels, but let me go over three. One, whether the existing aggregate land holding limits were still adequate. Two, options for reducing red tape and regulatory requirements. And finally, three, to look into some legislative concerns that have arisen about landholding limits for utilities, application thresholds for multiple owners, and the information and deeming requirements for non-profit corporations. So, Madam Speaker, what did the Commissioner do? He got down to work. He reviewed the Act, considered submissions, and held public consultations. He was extremely busy. Over a period of only a few months, he held public meetings from one end of this province to the other. These public meetings were well attended by over 600 people, with 134 written submissions, Madam Speaker. Today, I'm going to have the honour at tabling the documents to table this report, and we're also going to have an opportunity to present it today with Commissioner Carver. But at this moment, I want to take this opportunity on behalf of the province and all members of the Legislative Assembly to thank Commissioner Carver for being so thorough and ensuring that everyone had a chance to be heard. Thank you, Madam Speaker.